Today I'm going to show you how to practice with Sight Reading Factory. First, log on to your Music First account and click the software button in the top left corner. Choose the Sight Reading Factory app. Once you get here, you can hit Start Sight Reading. Choose your voice. Choose what level. For basic practice, you can choose any of these levels, and as you can see on the side, it shows you what you will be tested on. For our purposes today, we will be preparing for the jury. So I will click the jury level. The jury quiz will be in 4/4, so I will click that. And the jury quiz will be in the key of C major, so I will click that. Now you can either free play with no speed or time restrictions, or you can challenge yourself and do something that's a little bit closer to the test that you will be given. Let's do free play. It automatically gives you 8 measures, but if you would like only 4 measures, you can hit the settings button on the right, choose 4 measures, and you can refresh the page to get your sight reading example. Now first, what I would do is hit the pitch button. I would practice sight reading. And if I want to know how it sounds just to check myself, I can hit play. So you are welcome to practice with this as much as possible. If you want to go a little bit slower, you can change the tempo here. All of your sight reading quizzes are set at 60. Now let's try a challenge mode. So I'm going to go back to the home by clicking the Sight Reading Factory icon, start sight reading, pick my voice, pick my level, 4/4 common time, C major, challenge mode. You'll see a bunch of different options for you. Make sure that the countdown is set to 90 seconds because that's what I give you guys on every quiz. You can put it for a lower number of seconds if you choose. Make sure synth audio is off. I always select cursor off. Metronome on. Please turn recording on. And you can make sure that you have 4 measures here. And let's begin. Now it looks just like one of the sight reading quizzes you'll get in our class. Hit your pitchfork for the first note. Practice as much as you need to, and then when you're ready, if you're ready before time is up, you can click this button and it will count you off. Don't forget to hit your tuning fork one more time to get the pitch before you begin singing. Do, re, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, ti, do. Now what's awesome about this is you can check yourself. So hit these little arrows and it'll bring up a menu. Make sure that synth audio is checked. That will play the piano and play the right notes behind your recording. Let's see how I did. Besides being a little out of tune and an octave too high because I'm not a bass, we did a pretty good job. If you hit retry from here, it will give you an example and only give you 5 seconds to practice. But if you hit the refresh button, it will take you back to the main menu and you will get the full countdown that you chose.